Hey everybody, it's me, Riot Baby or Mariah. Thank you for tuning into this video. This is one of the more requested ones. I'm starting by taking my plain white t-shirt and a fitted dress that, is for my figure. You can lay down and trace your body or use a dress, whichever one you prefer. So I'm only going about halfway here and I'm tracing it with a Sharpie marker. You can use any marker here really. It doesn't matter. But you just need to go like about halfway for the size of a skirt would be. And this part is really easy. So you just cut it out after you've traced it, and I traced it a little bit bigger than what it would be, just in case. You would really do that when you're sewing, but honestly it doesn't matter because we're not sewing here. So just trace it out and we'll see what the next step is in the next clip. Okay, so now that we've got it all cut out, you want to keep it together. Honestly, you really actually don't have to, but I did, so you can keep it together or pull the pieces apart. It's up to you. So what you want to do is look up graffiti lettering, or you can buy some stencils that are like graffiti-esque. So then you trace those onto the skirt if you have stencils, or you can freehand it like I'm doing. If you're choosing to freehand it, just go really slow. This video is sped up. Take your time, because if you mess up, unless you have another shirt or like a magic time rewinder, then you can't fix your mistakes on this, because that's permanent. So like I said, just take your time, and you want to trace out the words motivation, and you want to start kind of like off to the side a little bit, like how Normani's outfit is, and then you want to go to not make the letters too big or too small, and try to fit as many as you can. Hers goes to like I think V, so try to fit up to V on this one half and then flip it over and continue it on the second half.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us. towards the sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Alright, so here we're just going to go back over the letters just to make them a bit bolder and stand out more. I started out with the regular Sharpie that I had to trace everything with, and then I took a bigger double-sided marker so that it will be easier to make the lines thicker. So just take whichever marker that you prefer to use to get the job done and go over each letter and make it bolder.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And
Okay, so now we're moving on to outlining the letters. I took a pink highlighter. I'm telling you guys, this is really affordable, really super easy. So this is the super easy part because all you have to do is trace over the letters you already made. So if you freehanded it, you're in the clear here, all you got to do is trace, and if you stenciled it, same thing, just go back over it with this pink highlighter. You can choose any pink. This is the one that I had that closely matched the pink she had on her outfit. And also, just take your time here because mistakes still can happen, so don't get ahead of yourself too fast and just be patient. And once you've outlined the letters, now you can start the fun part, which is adding all the little designs that she had on her outfit. And of course, this is a recreation, a DIY, so nothing will be exact, but just make it as close as possible and just try to have fun with it. It's your design at the end of the day. Yes, it's based off of hers, but you have free reign to do or not do whatever you want. So just have fun with it. I just want to say here that I'm also adding a purple marker just to add a little bit of flair. She did look like she had more than one color on her outfit, or two tones, so I just used the purple to create a two-toned illusion effect. Here I'm taking this is actually a fabric marker. None of the other markers we've used have been fabric markers, but it really doesn't matter. You can use any pink marker or paint or whatever you have to fill in the letters. I chose to only outline the letters. You can actually fill them in if you want to, but this wouldn't have been an easy task to do with this very skinny marker, so I just thought the best idea would be for me to outline it. But like I said before, you have free reign, do what you want. If you want to outline it only like I did, that's perfectly fine. If you want to add jewels or anything else like the sparkles she had on her outfit, go right ahead. It's all up to you, your DIY. Okay, so we are really basically finished at this point, but in order for us to actually be able to wear the skirt, we have to put the two pieces together and cut out holes on each side. So like I'm doing here, I know it looks like I'm cutting my finger, oh my goodness. I put my finger up to it and then I moved it out of the way so that I could have fabric gathered up, and then I just cut where the fabric was. And I'm doing the same thing on the other side. Do not cut yourself, please be careful. So you see I'm pushing it in with my finger, and then I'm moving my finger out of the way so that we can tie the two pieces together. So what I have here is just extra fabric from the t-shirt that we cut up. So you can reuse that for another DIY, or you can recycle it, throw it away, whatever, it's up to you. So I'm just taking a little piece here and tying it together like so onto both sides. You can make it look a little bit fancier, you can add little cuts and make it flared, or whatever the word for that is, fringy. I think it's fringe. You can add fringe to it. Do whatever you feel like is your style, because that's what will make it more personal. Don't forget to check out my other videos on this look, my recreating her makeup and hair, my other part 1 of this video, which was me making the top, and also my other Normani makeup look that was from a different part of her video. So don't forget to check those out. The links will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when I post new videos. And also follow me on my social medias. The links will be in the description box, and I'll put them at the end of this video. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next one.